Hi, in this video of OJA Cloud, we're going to show you how to register a new device. This can be done by going into the application menu in the main menu in either the dashboard or the map view. We then open it up and click on register a new device. Here we can enter the activation code. Where you can see that all letters are in lowercase, so it's easy to distinguish between 0 and O. We then register the device. As you can see, it hasn't come up in our device tree, but by a simple reloading of the page, we now have our device. If this is a brand new device where no name has been given, you will just have a line here. You can then go into geolocation and configure device, and here you can give a new name and add the location. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information please visit our website at www.ojelectronics.com.